Do you have trouble operating storm door? Many people do. This instructional video, you see, is to help those who have trouble operating storm doors, you see. Please follow this process, and it should work quite smoothly. First, it is pertinent to place hand on knob like so. You see? Now slowly twist knob in a circular motion. You see? Now pull door towards self or push away from self depending on the situation. You see? Continue to open door to a point where you or the person you're opening such door for can easily pass through. At which point you may release door, you see? And a properly adjusted storm door will close upon release, like so. At this point, let's run through this procedure a few times, you see, and just a fast motion so you can get the idea. Place hand on knob, turn, pull, and release. Hope this helps with your storm door troubles. Thank you, and have a nice day.